Swing trading is one of the most popular trading techniques, but there is also a lot of patience and discipline involved, because sometimes you have to wait a long time to get any setups in the markets. I will show you today how you can use my day trading strategy to grab bigger swings in the market. So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you already understand a bit of my strategy that I explained in the video day trading, you shouldn't have a problem with this either. But no worries, when you are done with this video, you will know exactly what to look out for. So right here guys, we are on the GBP USD chart on the daily time frame. And what's the most important thing on swing trading is that we only use higher time frames. When we look here, we have here 4-hour, daily and weekly, right? The most time frames I trade when I go into swing trading is the 4-hour and the daily, right? Sometimes I go into the weekly time frame, but I am really more comfortable on daily and 4-hour when I'm going to swing trade, right? So right here now we are looking on GBP USD daily time frame. First, we need to identify the trend, and what we have here is, again guys, I have here my EMAs on. That's an 8-period moving average and a 21-period moving average, alright? And on the 4-hour and 1-hour, I have 50 and 200 EMA to show me always the trend, that I never go against the trend, alright? So let's start to analyze this market here. So what we can see is that the market comes here down, right? And now we are going up and creating here this flat pattern. And then we are shooting up, create here a new high right here. Then we are coming down right here, creating a higher low, guys. You need to learn the basics, right? It's very important you have a basic understanding where the market are going. Then we are going up, creating a new higher high right here. We are creating higher low, and now on this higher high right in here, all right? So and what we can see here as well, guys, is that the EMAs are on this upwards movement. So this shows me that the market wants to go higher on the daily time frame. So we have now here daily is in an upwards movement, right? So but we don't want to trade in the daily time frame, we want to trade on the 4-hour. So the 4-hour is our execution time frame, alright guys? So now that we have the direction of the trend, we can delete this right here. And now we can draw out our support and resistance zone. Now guys, my trading goes all about support and resistance, or supply and demand zones. That is what I learned from the beginning that I started trading, and I stick to it every day. So right here we can see now that this is a very specific zone. Why is this a very specific zone? Because we come here straight up from an impulse, create a flat zone right here, and we're breaking now this zone. Now this zone on the daily, it seems to like not being very strong, right? But when we go on the lower time frame, such as the 4-hour time frame, guys, you can really see that this was a very clean support and resistance zone right in here. And when we look here a little bit left, you can see as well that we are touching this zone quite often. What we have here, another test right here, and now we are on this zone right here. So when I delete this zone to get a much cleaner chart, now we have our first zone. Now I always say it, guys, in every video, you don't need much zones. I have here now only one zone, and now I can look left right here and pick out another zone. And what we have here 2 clean touches. Right in here we have a 1 touch, 2 touch. So the market can now go down into this zone and then stops right here. We get a confirmation pattern that the market want to stop here and going higher. And now this right in here, this zone is my next level to look out for. Alright, so now we have here 2 clean zones, and we are on the daily time frame. So now we can go on the 4-hour time frame, guys, and to look out for some entries. So what I said before on the daily time frame, guys, it seems like it's not a very clean zone, but we are now seeing on the 4 time frame we have here 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, and now we're breaking through. So now when the market decides to come back into this zone, that's for me a no-brainer to look out for some buying opportunities. And what you can see here as well, guys, is that the EMA is here showing me that we are clearly in this upwards movement. So the 50 is clearly above the 200 EMA, right? And when the daily EMAs are in line with the 4-hour EMAs, that's a very clean signal, guys, that we are in a massive upwards trend right here. Okay, so let's delete this here and let's watch out for some trades. So when I play this now a little bit further out, we can see the market decides to come a little bit back right here, but we want only to trade when we get into this zone right here. So now we are touching this zone, and now you can look out for some entry patterns. I always look out for either engulfing or candles with a long wick tail, alright? That's for me the most common trading entries. So let's play this now a little bit out and watch out for some entries right here. So we can see the market a little bit tumbles around right here, okay? And now what we can see here is this is our engulfing candle, guys. I draw it out here a little bit for you. You can see here this white candle here is our engulfing, because it shoots up and engulfs the last candle low right here. So that's our entry signal. Now we can go in with our buy position right in here, stops, goes underneath this zone, and we are shooting for a 1 to 2, guys. I always shoot for 1 to 2, no matter what strategy, guys. I am always shooting for my 1 to 2. So now that we are execute this trade right here, we can now play this out and look what happened next. So when we play this now further out, we can see the market comes a little bit back down right here and give us another very clean engulfing pattern. What we have here, the market engulfs the last candle very well, and that will be another entry. But we have here our executed trade, and the market shoots right away up and hits our 1 to 2 take profit right here. So that's really all you need to do, guys, with my swing trading strategy. It's the same as the day trading video that I uploaded. It's the same strategy, only on higher time frames. You can see that my strategy here is very easy, and I am really preferring the easy way to trade because I'm so comfortable in my trading, because I know what to look out for, and I don't have 13,000 indicators on my chart. Alright, guys? So you really want to make your trading as easy as possible and never get confused. Alright, should I now enter or should I not enter? Because another strategy shows me another signal, and another strategy shows me another signal. Alright, guys, you need to find your strategy. You need to be disciplined in your strategy. You need to have a trading plan. All these factors you need to put together to get really where you want to be in your trading career. Alright, so that was a very clean long position. Let's find now a short position, guys. We are here now on the Euro NZD chart, again on the daily time frame. And now you can really see how much easier it is with the EMAs to show you the trend. You can see how the trend shifts here with the EMAs, guys. And now we are going to the downward side. So it's very easy to identify straight away where we are going. So that is always why I have my EMAs on it, alright? So guys, the EMA shows me that we are in this downwards movement. And what we have here as well is that the market makes here lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows right here. So we are definitely in this downwards movement. So the first step, we are done. We know where the market is going, and now we want to identify our key structure levels. And what we have here, guys, is this structure level again. What we have here on the daily again, guys, you really cannot see that this is a level. But when I really quick jump on the 4-hour time frame, you can now see that this level is an obvious clean level right here. we have here 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. The market smashes through, and now we want this pullback again into the support and resistance zone right here to look out for sells. All right, so let's jump again back to the daily to identify the next key support and resistance area. Now what we have here, guys, when I here looking left, we can see this will be a good example of a support and resistance area, because what happened here, the market shoots up, stops, comes back, shoots through, now acting as support right here and shooting back upwards. So I have here again a clean zone right in here. So now we have here 2 zones that we can look out for, guys. Now the market is on this zone, but that's good because we want that the market comes back into this zone, and then we can look out for shorts because the market is in this downwards movement. So now that we identify all these things on the daily, you can straight away jump again into the 4-hour time frame. And guys, what you can see here as well, you can really clean see that the 50 is underneath the 200 EMA right here. So that's a no-brainer that you only want to look out for your sell position, guys. So now what we want from the market, you can see that the market comes here down and creates a double bottom right here. So that's a reversal signal, all right? So the market should now go back upwards to this zone, and in this zone again we can look out for our sell positions to draw the market back downwards. So that is how easy I'm making trading, guys. You don't need to complicate it again. So let's delete this right here and let's play this market a little bit further out that you can see what happens here. So we have here our 2 clean zones. So let's play this now a little bit further out, and we can see straight away that was a little bit too far, guys, but you can see the market makes here this double bottom right here and then shoots aggressively up. Now we want again a confirmation candle that we can look then for our sell positions. I don't want that the market shoots here through and retests this zone again, because then the market shows me on the lower time frame, such as the 4-hour here, that the market shift in market structure and we are on the short-term upwards trend. All right, so let's play this a little bit further out that we can see what happened. So the market now tests again this zone, and right here that's nearly a double top right here. What we have here, the market shoots up, comes down, shoots back up, and now when we get another downwards candle, that's for me a no-brainer to look out here for my sell position. So let's play this a little bit further out. Now we have here, guys, our clean downwards candle right here. So let's jump here in with my short position. Stops goes above this zone, and we are targeting what, a 1 to 2. Right, so this is my 1 to 2 right here. And now let's play this a little bit further out that you can see what happens here. So you can see the market tumbles around, and now you can see right in here that the market comes down and don't breaks this low right here. So this indicates me that the market will have a hard time here to break through this zone, right? So I will automatically shut down my position right in this zone right here when the market makes here this upwards movement, because the market don't straight away break through, and this indicates me that momentum is not enough to break this level right here. All right, so let's delete this quick. And we'll say that we are going out with this candle, so that will be a 1 to 2, guys. So that is how I manage my trades. But obviously, guys, you can leave this here as well, and then you can wait that the market hits your take profit. So let's play this now out, and right in here your market hits your take profit right in here. But in the live markets, guys, emotion plays with, and when you see this, that the market have here this very clean engulfing candle right in here on this strong zone, then you would exit this trade right here. So you can see that's the same strategy as my day trading strategy, but only on higher time frames. And you also can see, guys, that this trade right here, that will be a 7-day and 8-hour long trade right here, all right? And on my day trading strategy, I'm only in for several hours, all right? And then I cut the trade. But you can definitely use this swing trading strategy on your trading, and you can see how easy it is. You also can apply this onto your strategy, guys. But before you use this strategy, I really want you to paper trade this strategy, that you can get the feel around it from this swing trading strategy right here. So guys, if you're one of those traders who don't want to spend hours in front of the screen, then this is for you. But if you don't have enough patience, you don't need to deal with swing trading. I hope you like the content. If yes, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, my friends, and see you next time.